Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 10 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be talking about how to add ceiling soffits. So here, as we can see, we have different types of ceiling. Here we can see there is a difference between the top of the ceiling and the bottom of the ceiling. So these kind of ceiling we can add in Revit. So here you can see there's a difference here. So we can add that, can change the boundaries also. You can see these types of ceiling where there is a difference. So here we can add these types of ceiling to the present ceiling by changing the boundaries and changing the elevations of it and thickness of that. So yeah, so we can do that. So let's go into the private project. So here this is a floor plan here. So to edit the ceiling, we need to go on the ceiling plan and then just double click on that so that you can get the boundaries here. So if you want to change the boundaries here, so what you need to do is that you need to draw extra spaces here like this, add that, just click on that. So you can see that there's an empty space here. So you now when we go on the 3D here, now you can see that there's the empty space here. So if you need to add ceiling, so there then you can see this empty, like there's no ceiling here. So here we can add a different thickness ceiling so that there's a difference between that ceiling and the present one, so that you can get that animation and so fit here. So to do that, we go on ceiling here and let's change the thickness here. Let's make this 75. So I'll have this 60 here. For that, first you need to duplicate this. And now you can change it. Make sure you duplicate that every time before you change the properties. Now before setting that, I need to change the height offset here. This is 25 and previous was 100. So I'll add 25 here. And now I'll add the now you can see that there's the different ceiling here than this. So let's go 3D check. Now you can see this. There's a 15 mm difference here. So you can change the thickness however you want to change the uh, dimensions of that thickness, elevation of that. You can change that accordingly. Just you need to have the proper thickness so that you can add that. However, so that's how you add soffit.